first reaction in society is that anger is not helpful and anger is bad. But we need to understand that anger is a very, very natural human emotion. Try to redirect the attention of the child into something that is more healthier and productive. It could simply be playing some songs around them, or making some animated voices, or starting to talk about some story, just creating something where the child can get distracted. Hi, I'm Dr. Ruhi Satija. I'm a psychiatrist and a therapist and a mother to a 3 years old. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to handle aggression in toddlers. But before I start explaining you the steps, I want to discuss a little bit about what anger and aggression is and how we can understand it as an emotion rather than a problematic situation. Whenever we talk about anger, the first instinct or the first reaction in society is that anger is not helpful and anger is bad. But we need to understand that anger is a very, very natural human emotion. It is actually evolutionary, most important and significant emotion. So if you want to start working on your toddler's aggression, the first thing is understanding what is making them angry. We call them triggers in psychology. For example, it could be purely biological. They are hungry, they haven't slept well, they are tired, they haven't rested well. Anything biological can trigger them. Now you have to understand that the toddlers cannot communicate. They do not have the vocabulary to tell them that they are angry. So their behavior is what is going to tell us what they are feeling. And we need to start picking up these cues and patterns. In the moment of aggression, now when you see that the child is starting to act up, the first thing and rather the most important thing is modeling your own behavior. The moment a child goes in aggression, we first try to prevent it or stop it. But instead, what you need to do is maintain your own calm, maintain your own composure. It's important that you recognize your own feelings in that moment. That why do you want to prevent this episode so much? Why are you not allowing your child to express? Of course, we have to make sure that the child is danger free. He's careful in expressing the way he's expressing the anger. We need to give him some decent modalities. Or, he might not be hitting somebody or hurting somebody. Yes, we need to take care of that. But instead of suppressing the emotion, we need to help the toddler encompass that emotion or express that emotion in a healthier way. Next thing that you need to do in the moment of an episode of aggression is redirect, which means that you try to redirect the attention of the child into something that is more healthier and productive. It could simply be playing some songs around them, or making some animated voices, or starting to talk about some story, just creating something where the child can get distracted. You can create a calm corner in the house where you put some toys which are sensory simulating toys. You can easily find them online available at different platforms, so that the child can get sensory stimulation instead of taking out the aggression there. You can also redirect the child to take out the aggression in a safe way. For example, instead of hitting somebody, they can just punch a pillow, or they can scream in a pillow, or they can just shout in a pillow. The idea is to model these behaviors consistently with them. Instead of submitting the behavior, instead of just suppressing the emotion, acknowledge it that all right, you're angry. Come, let me help you. Take them on a side, make sure that they are safe, make sure that they are not hurting themselves or somebody else, and give them an alternative healthy behavior to do. Sometimes asking them to stomp their feet on the floor, taking out the aggression with movement also helps. Next thing that you want to do is give them something soothing, so that once the episode is over, they know that they can relax. Of course, with a toddler, you cannot do a lot of elaborate mindfulness techniques. What you can do is simply hugging the child and soothing at their back. Touch helps wonderfully. A little bit of compression where you hold their hands tightly, cuddle them or hug them, or give them a toy to do that. That helps. Next, what you want to do is positive reinforcement. That means whenever you teach a new behavior to the child and the child actually does it, you make sure that you acknowledge it and appreciate the child for doing it. That is how they understand that this is a better way of coping with aggression rather than that one. So here you go. Use these steps and you'll be effectively able to handle the aggression of your toddler. I hope it helps.